Something very bad could be about to occur in the US economy, okay? And that is a great inflation or a hyperinflation potentially. Now, inflation happens every year. By their own numbers, it's usually about 1 to 2%, which of course isn't good necessarily. It's 1 to 2% of lost value in your money. They would argue that there's reasons why it's good. There is arguments on both sides, but I'm just putting that out there as plain fact. We do have inflation every year. It's usually about 1 to 2%. However, this year has been different. This past year has been very different, as a matter of fact. That comes to right here, right? 78% of US dollars were created in the last 12 months. This is unprecedented, okay? This is unprecedented. This is a very unique situation that could end in disaster. Now, there are going to be people out there saying, inflation's not going to happen. It will never go past 2%, yada, yada, yada. Coca-Cola is already raising prices. Company CEO says Coca-Cola will raise prices to offset higher commodity costs. This is what inflation looks like. Now, I don't know how bad it's going to get, okay? I don't know how bad it's going to get, but I am a bit worried. There could be some significant economic instability. And I'm not here to doom and gloom you. I'm not saying the US, economy is going to crash to zero. I'm not saying that, right? But I am saying there could be a significant issue with inflation. And the Fed may be in a tough spot where they may have to raise interest rates to attack this inflation. And if that happens, houses, asset prices, stocks, they will get crushed. They will get crushed if the Fed raises interest rates. But the Fed might have to do that no matter what, because if the Fed does not raise interest rates effectively, they may succumb to the inflation. So the Fed, to kind of give you both sides of it, may very well, I'm not saying definitely, but may very well in the near future, within the next 6 months, could be in a situation where they have to choose between, do we allow significant inflation or do we crash the stock market? And they may have a choice. And I don't know which choice they would take, but I would think they would go with the, crashing of the stock market. That would probably be the better solution because the stock market will recover over time versus the inflation, the value lost there, that will never be recovered. That will never be recovered. Things are getting very bad, guys. 78% of US dollars created in the last 12 months, okay? Summers says inflation indicator flashing red alarm. Things are about to get very bad, okay? And I'm only putting this video out there to warn you. I'm not going to tell you where to put your money. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Obviously, I'm a crypto guy. That's where I've put some money, right? Also, of course, I own gold and silver too. But things could be bad. I would stock up on dry food. I would stock up on potentially, water and things like that. At worst case, you buy it and, nothing happens and you eat it, right? No issue there. No risk there. Only potential reward if something does happen. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. Something bad may be happening, and I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you're worried about your internet privacy, grab a VPN through PureVPN. Use my discount link in the description if you're worried about your internet privacy, hackers, government, large corporations. Click that link, get the big discount, get the yearly plan. You will not be disappointed, and thank you so much for watching.